Meaning of gross.
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 Gross. The word gross has multiple meanings depending on context. As an adjective, it can mean that something is unpleasantly large, excessive, or unsightly. For example, a person might describe a pile of dirty dishes as gross. In business and finance, gross typically refers to the total amount before any deductions, such as taxes or expenses. For instance, a company's gross revenue is the total income generated before subtracting any costs. In general, gross is often used to convey a sense of disgust or disapproval, particularly in reference to something unappetizing or morally repugnant.